Everyone, RJ Garbowitz, founder, CEO of WEBTALK. This video is to quickly go over the new ad rewards pool that we're getting ready to launch, hopefully before the end of the year. If you don't know about WEBTALK, we are the first all-in-one networking platform that offers market-defining technologies that include integrated universal contact management for personal, professional, and business use, the first ever social syndication magic newsfeed that allows you to post to Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Slack, and soon Instagram all at the same time. We also have universal profiles, which consolidates all of your personal and business profiles into one beautiful interface. So we have all these market defining technologies. This is just one more. The ad rewards pool is revolutionary. We are pledging to give up to 50% of our revenue back to our member base forever. That includes advertising revenue, subscriptions, marketplace, travel, you name it, anything that we do in the future, up to 50% of that is going back into your hands. Now I'm going to show you a sneak peek of the ad rewards pool that we're getting ready to launch here soon. This is the widget. So the widget's going to be built into every single page in your account. So it's easy to see how you're earning points, and points are going to redeem for cash. Now I'm going to show you the calculator that we're actually developing right now for the new ad rewards program. And this is just a sneak preview so you can get an idea of what the potential earnings are. So first is how you're going to earn points. Engagement points you earn per month. You earn 1 point per post, per like, per comment, per share, per profile view, and you can earn up to 100 points per day. That means on a day with 31 days or a month with 31 days, you'll be able to earn up to 3,100 points. How influencer points are made is by making content posts, either videos or photos or posts, and getting likes, comments, and shares. So every like is going to be worth 10 points. Every comment's going to be worth 20. Every share is going to be worth 30. For a quick example, if you were to get 100 likes on a post, that'd be 1,000 points. If you get 100 comments on a post, that's 2,000 points. So right there in one post, you can make about 3,000 points. That doesn't include shares. So we're estimating about 100,000 points will be earned on average per individual user on a given calendar month. So if you take those points and you multiply it times the amount of revenue that we're expecting the point value to be, you'll earn on average, the average person will earn about $10 a month. It's not a whole lot of money, but it's $10 more a month than Facebook and LinkedIn and Twitter are paying you. Now, if you're an influencer though, or a content creator or a blogger, it can add up very, very quickly. So let's say you earn 10 million likes on a video that you posted, that you've created, or some viral photos that you sent out. Well, if you do that a few times a month, you can quickly get up to 100 million points, which will put you at a six-figure income as an influencer or content creator or blogger. So it won't take very long to get to your points. The next step and the biggest earning potential is going to come with a referral rewards program. So with referral rewards, if you can refer, let's say 10 people in this example, and those 10 people on average generate 100,000 engagement and influencer points per month. So like what you could do up there, they could do. Now let's say out of all of those 10 people, 5% of them, which would be a half a person, upgrades to a premium subscription. So our premiums remove ads, they remove advertising tracking, you get exclusive premium features, and we pay you 10% of their bill every month for life. So with that, you'll earn on average about $2 to $4 per month per pro customer that you refer. Now, it doesn't seem like much right here. You'll make about $1. So the vast majority of this earnings, the $101, 100 of it is from your points, $1 of it is from the premium upgrades, but it will add up. Let's say if you're a digital marketer or you're an influencer, or you're a network marketer or an affiliate, you can bring 1,000 people into WEBTALK. Now you can earn a six-figure income. Obviously, that keeps going up the more zeros you add. So this gets really, really attractive if you're a marketer. Let's say you're not a content creator or an influencer or a digital marketer or affiliate marketer. You're just an everyday social network user and you want an opportunity to make a good amount of money. Well, that's where our bonus referral rewards comes in. So let's say you invite 10 people. Now let's assume that those 10 people can invite people as well, but they're not going to invite 10. Let's say the average person invites 3. And that trickles down through 5 levels of referrals. Now, again, this bonus activates automatically as soon as you upgrade to pro or refer somebody who does upgrade to pro. So you don't even have to buy anything to qualify for the bonus. The bonus just kicks in automatically. And then your referrals start inviting people. When that happens, If they are using the same multiplier, if each one of those three are getting 100,000 engagement points a month and getting a 5% conversion rate, your income potential jumps up to six figures. And all you did was invite 10 people, engage with the platform, and who are engaging, and you're engaging, and they invite three each through 5 levels of referrals. Now you're back up to a six-figure income again. So even if you're not an influencer, or you're not a content creator, or you're not a digital marketer or affiliate marketer, if you're just an everyday social network user that knows how to refer people, or can just invite 10 people to follow you on WEBTALK, and they continue to invite people as well, you have an opportunity to earn a six-figure income. And it can build and build and build. So if you become an influencer, or if you keep inviting more than 10 people and it keeps trickling down, the income potential just keeps growing. Plus, it's going to continue to grow because we're going to continue to launch new revenue streams like WEBTALK Travel, like WEBTALK Marketplace. So all these new revenue streams that we're going to launch are going to continuously increase your earning potential. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us via help.webtalk.co. We're here to answer your questions. Thanks for watching.